Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to transfer contacts from Samsung to iPhone. Let's have a look. For this video I am using Samsung S23 Ultra and iPhone 17. First, open contacts on your Samsung phone. Tap three dots on top right and tap settings. In contacts settings, tap export contacts. All contacts. Right now I have 635 contacts. Select where to export these contacts to. Tap internal storage. Then tap export. This will start exporting all of your contacts from Samsung phone. Contacts 00.7.vcf has been exported to your internal storage. Tap OK. Now close Contacts app. Open Gmail app on your Samsung phone. Tap Compose. Enter the Gmail address that you are using in your iPhone. So enter the Gmail address. This Gmail address I am using in my iPhone. You can type any subject like all contacts. In the mail body, you can type anything. Then tap paperclip icon on top right and choose Files. Under Files, you will see contacts.vcf file. Tap on it and it will attached with your mail. Tap Send. Mail sent. Now take your iPhone and open Gmail app. Tap to open the mail you just received and tap the attached VCF file. Tap Share button on bottom left and choose Contacts. Add all contacts. Simply tap Save. That's it. All contacts transferred from Samsung to iPhone. So these are the steps to transfer contacts from Samsung to iPhone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.